Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and today I want to tell you about something new that I'm launching on my channel, and it is memberships. So for those of you out there who want something a little bit more from Gardening at Douentza YouTube channel, then perhaps this is for you. How does it work? Well, if people sign up to membership, what they will get is a specialised video or live chat once every 2 weeks. And the specialised video will be about some topic that it's not really for general consumption, it's more for the plant geeks and plant nerds out there among you who like that extra detail and perhaps are on the lookout for rare and unusual plants and want to hear more about them. The live stream would be a general chat kind of thing where I could answer questions that you might have. In memberships, you will also have access to free seeds. I have a list of seeds I've collected here in my garden and greenhouse, and if you're a member then you will get a set of at least 3 packets of seeds of your choice from the list, as long as stocks last. So get in there and sign up quickly to be eligible for that. Also in memberships there will be regular video snippet clips that show plant updates and garden plans and other kind of things like that, as well as posts in the form of photographs, and all of this will be on the community tab, which is visible only to members. Okay, so if you're interested in all of this, then please sign up to memberships and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for listening. Bye.